Hey guys, I'm Anna and welcome to Live Love Lang, the channel where we teach you how to learn multiple languages and how to go abroad.
Hey, you're watching?
Today we're gonna start a new series showing you the different kind of houses and rooms that you can find all over the world. And after this we will make a little vocabulary list in our blog so you can check it out and learn new vocabulary from the target language. So for example, today we're doing our new Japanese house. Ooh. I know everybody wanted to see our house, so here you go. Let's start. So if you don't know, I live with two sexy ladies, which are Teresa and Kerry. They're not in the house at the moment, so I think we will do like a little tour so I can show you around. And also, if you don't know, we live in Gotanda, Tokyo, Japan, and it's legit. It's awesome. We are so happy and we are so lucky. And yes, so let's go. So the first thing that you see when you enter a Japanese house is the genkan. Here you take off your shoes. And these are all our shoes and umbrellas. And you see the stairs, but we will go later. The first room is a little toilet here. And it's like Japanese style. And the second room that you encounter when you enter is the kitchen. So this is a kitchen and it's really big. Japanese houses are not usually like this, and yep, also like Japanese houses don't have nothing inside, have anything inside when you enter them, so like everything that you see, or most of it, we bought. These are our medicine cabinet, but let's take a look at the view. It's amazing. So this is Nishigotanda, and behind these buildings there's the main street of Nishigotanda, so they are kind of like a shield against all the noise. But we do have a train railway here, but it's not so often. Like, maybe I will show you later when the train passes, but it's kind of nice to just stay outside here, like put my chair there before, because I was just enjoying the afternoon. And it's really nice. Also, we do have like double closing doors that allows the noise to stay outside. Second room we're gonna go in is the washitsu. This is the let's say the guest room. As you see, there's a futon here if somebody wants to stay over the night. And this is a kotatsu. It's a Japanese style winter kind of table. So what happens is that when you sit down here, there's a heating system. It makes you warm. It's so cool. And of course the doors that so you can see the panorama from here as well, and the window with shoji, Japanese style. It's pretty nice room, but the best point of this room is this. We have lights. And in the evening, it's just so nice, you have no idea. Okay, next room is the studio. Haha, I know everybody wanted to see this. And so here we shoot some videos, like indoor videos and stuff. And we have also the computer editing position. And it's so really nice. And cameras and stuff, we have so much stuff. And next to the studio there's the bathroom, let's see. So we have the laundry machine, and here I'm here, hello. And also the shower, it's here. And it's Japanese style, so there's like place where you do like shower, and then there's the bath behind there. and it's really nice. So let's go upstairs. Haha. Upstairs, 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 upstairs. There's Teresa's room. Oh, first of all, like here is Carrie's room, but I'm sure you don't want to see Carrie's room right now. It's kind of messy. Oh, and there's another little toilet. This is Teresa's room. Hi. Oh, hey. She has, I'm still here, hey. And she has a bed, little table and a TV. And we also have a Wii. It's so nice. We can play with our friends and stuff. And the art station of Teresa, where she makes her heart. And it's so nice. And next to Teresa's room, there's my room. Woo! I have my guitar, my computer, and stuff. Then both of our rooms are Japanese styles, while Carrie's is Western style, so it's a little different. And I'm still here, ha ha ha. And here outside we have a little, I think you call it veranda in English as well. When we have, haha, I'm still here, a little sink here as well, where we brush our teeth and stuff. And we did laundry, so there's laundry outside at the moment. And still like the beautiful, we're on the 7th floor right now, so the panorama is amazing. Because most of Japanese houses, like you can see the houses down there, right? They just face like to each other. It's just you don't see panoramas like this in a normal house, and it's just so nice to be able to live here. And so this was our house, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I wanted to say that Japanese houses are not normally like this. They are really little, but we are 3 people living together, so what happens is that we can split all the costs that come from owning a house like that, like this. And yeah, so this is our house. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you like our videos, please consider to support us on Patreon, and also check the vocabulary list on our blog. And that's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.